NO3 or KNO3 with concentrated sulfuric acid at 573 Kelvin. On large scale, nitric acid is manufactured by ostwald process. For example, conversion of milk into curd by lactobacilli enzyme present in curd. Ostwald process. Ammonia is mixed with air in 1:8 and passed over platinum gauze at 1093 Kelvin. NO and NO2 thus formed are absorbed in water to get diluted HNO3. It is then concentrated by distillation up to 68% by mass. Further concentration up to 98% is achieved by distilling it over concentrated H2SO4. Properties of nitric acid. It is a colorless fuming liquid, somewhat unstable, and quickly turns yellow due to NO2 produced by its partial decomposition. It has corrosive action on skin and turns the skin yellow. It is a strong acid, forms nitrates with bases and basic oxides, and decomposes carbonates. It is a strong oxidizing agent, oxidizes metals, non-metals and metalloids into their oxides or oxoacids, and itself gets reduced to NO2, NO, N2O or NH3 depending upon the nature of the substance oxidized, concentration of the acid and temperature. Uses of nitric acid. The important uses of ammonia are following. It is used in the manufacture of dyes, drugs and perfumes. It is used for purification of silver and gold. It is used for etching designs on copper, brass and bronze. It is used as an oxidizer in rocket fuels. It is used in the manufacture of explosives. It is used as laboratory reagent. The major use of nitric acid is in the manufacture of ammonium nitrate.